Unstable Isotope asked on Twitter, what changes do you want to the new health care law? Well, thanks for the question. I strongly support the Affordable Care Act. I think it was an important generational step forward in dealing with things that Democratic presidents have been trying to make progress on since Harry Truman. And I will make sure that we implement it responsibly, unlike my opponent who wants to repeal it. But there's a number of provisions that deserve either revision, removal, or modification. I'll just name two briefly. First, one of the ways the bill is funded is by requiring 1099s being filed by every business of every size for purchases or expenditures of $600 or more. I've heard from a lot of small business owners that that's just going to require too much paperwork, that there's way too many purchases they do at that level, and for small and mid-sized businesses that's going to be a fairly burdensome new requirement. There's already been a fix proposed by the Democratic caucus in the Senate, and I would support that. Second, I just want to make sure that as we're going forward and we're reining in costs, that we're not unduly squelching innovation. There's a lot of companies here in Delaware and around the world that are benefiting from the opportunity to create new pharmaceuticals, new treatments, new medical devices. And I want to make sure that American companies have the opportunity to innovate and to export. This is one of the fastest growing areas of export we've got. I think we have a real challenge in implementing this bill responsibly, making sure we manage costs while still delivering on the promise of broader access to quality, affordable health care. Thanks for your question.